Hey there, Kerri from theSongbird where we believe that everybody can learn to sing. Now today I'm going to show you 4 tips on how to warm up properly. Alright, today we were talking about warming up. Now, warming up is super important as a singer. It's like we are vocal athletes, okay? So if you think about a sporting athlete, they would never go into a race or compete in an event without warming up their body. Now why? Number one, they want to avoid injury, right? They don't want to get injured. Number two, they want to perform at their optimal. They want to perform at their best. And that's the same thing for us as singers. We are also athletes, we're just vocal athletes. And if we warm up our voice, it means that we avoid vocal injury and also we set ourselves up to sound at our very best, okay? So there are a few main elements that I want to talk about today to get you started in warming up well. So let's go. The first thing is that we need to start gently. You know, if you think about it, when you're warming up your voice, like you haven't actually started singing yet, right? And you're getting your voice ready. So you don't want to go for this crazy, like strenuous exercise to begin with. You want to start gently, okay? So that's the first tip. And then the other things is that we need to cover 3 main parts of our voice. We need to do some work on the chest voice, we need to do some work on warming up the head voice, and we also need to do some work on warming up the mixed voice. If we can cover these areas, we've got a very good start at a very good vocal warm-up. So I'm going to give you 4 things today, 4 exercises that cover those 4 areas that I just talked about, so that you can begin properly warming up your voice so that you can avoid vocal injury and sound your best. So the first thing, we've got to start gently. Now, my favorite exercise to start on when warming up, that is super gentle, is the bubble. So, right? Now you can substitute this for a tongue trill, or if you don't like those kind of bubble exercises, they don't work for you, you can also do a okay? So any of those 3 will be fine, but we're going to do the bubbles today, okay? I want you to keep it gentle. I want you to make sure your jaw's just really like relaxed, okay? And not pursing your lips or anything, otherwise you're going to find it really hard to get that bubble out. So here goes. So we'll start here, right, and it's just alright, you on your own, Songbird. Keep it relaxed. Nice work. Excellent. Keep that jaw relaxed. Alright, we're going to go down now. Gentle start. Now, number 2, let's work on warming up our chest voice. So the chest voice is your spoken voice. It's where I'm speaking right now. It's the lower to mid part of your range, okay? And it should feel quite comfortable. Now I want you to say ah for me, as if you were very posh and from England. Ah, okay, well done. Now, what I want you to do now is to sing that on a 3-note scale like this. That's it, drop that done in warming up your chest voice. Number 3, we want to warm up our head voice, okay? It's the high part of our range, doesn't feel as solid as the chest part of our range, and we want to warm that up too, okay? So we're going to start a bit high for this one. We're going to go here, and we're going to do a slide, a 5th slide, and I want you to really think of gliding through the scale. It's nothing that should make you feel strained or anything like that, okay? So just go, ooh, for me. Ooh. Okay, now take that feeling into this. We're going to go, ooh. Now your turn. Come along with me. Nice, and let the vibrato go, yeah? You can go on your own now. That's it, keep the jaw long. Nice work. Yeah, last one. Fantastic, so you've now started to warm up your head voice. Now it's time to look at the in between the mixed voice tone and area. So I want you to just sing this scale as if you're a little kid and it's a little bit annoying and a little bit funny, okay? I don't want you to get loud on this, I just want you to keep it annoying and funny. So like this. Na 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 na, na 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 na. Come with me. Na 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 na, na 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 na. Keep going. Nice. Good work. Now keep it funny, don't get louder. Good. So there you go, I've given you 4 main areas that you can work on to start to really get a comprehensive warm-up for your voice. Now if you're looking for something a lot more comprehensive than that even, and you really want to learn to warm up your voice properly and in a way that's going to help you sing healthily for a long time and to sound at your best, I want you to go and check out my free resource, the Ultimate Vocal Warm-Up Guide ebook. If you click on the link below, you get access to that completely for free, and it actually has my top 16 vocal warm-ups that cover not just these 4 areas, but a myriad of other areas that you need to look at and to consider when you're warming up your voice. So go and grab that right now. The other thing is, Songbird, if you are just really hungry for more knowledge and you really want to go to the next level with your voice, and you really want me to further support you, then I encourage you to go and check out my Vocal Revolution program. It's a 20 video module program, which is kind of like me and you hanging out together in my studio, having one-on-one lessons together. You're so gonna love it. So please go and check that out as well. The link is also below. All right, enjoy those exercises from today's video. Let me know how you go in the comments below. All right, Songbird, you know that I am always believing in you. I'll see you next time. Bye.